Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Steve's Bio Simplified. Today we are going to practice some important questions from chapter Biological Classification. Here we have a set of 10 questions today. Okay, let's get started. Let's see first question. The Five Kingdom classification was suggested by option A. England and Prandtl, option B. Eichler, option C. Bentham and Hooker, option D. Whittaker. Robert H. Whittaker, an American taxonomist, has proposed the Five Kingdom classification of living organisms. The Five Kingdom classification includes Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. So, the correct option is D. Whittaker. Next question. Which of the following organisms form the decomposer? Option A. Terrace, option B. Bacteria, option C. Saprophytic fungi, option D. Both B and C. Explanation part. Decomposes are saprotrophs, which decomposes the organic remains. These are saprophytic fungi and bacteria. Terrace is a pteridophyte which synthesizes its own food. So Terrace is a producer, and the correct answer for this question is D. Next question. Capsid is option A. Genetic material of virus, option B. Protein cover of virus, option C. Extra genetic material of bacterium, option D. Housekeeping genome of bacterium. So the right one for this question is B. Okay, let's see our next question. Choose the wrong statement. Option A. Morels and truffles are poisonous mushrooms. Option B. Yeast is unicellular and useful in fermentation. Option C. Penicillium is multicellular and produces antibiotics. Option D. Neurospora is used in the study of biochemical genetics. Explanation part. Option B, C, D are incorrect or correct statements. Morels or Ascomycetes with edible ascocarps that have fleshy spawns like conical cap or pileus and a stalk-like stipe. Example, Morcella esculenta. Truffles are also edible members of Ascomycetes with a tuber-like subterranean ascocarps that are often dug out with the help of trained dogs and pigs. Example, tuber onestivum. So the correct answer for this question is A. Okay, next question. Bivalved siliceous cell or frustule occurs in option A. Diatoms, option B. Foraminifera, option C. Radiolarians, option D. Heliozoans. The correct answer for this question is A. That is diatoms. Okay, let's see our next question. Which of the following is true about viruses? Option A. It is not parasite in a living host. Option B. It can be cultured on artificial media. Option C. It does not have a genetic material of its own. Option D. It can be crystallized and kept in a bottle for several years. The correct answer for this question is D. Okay, next question. TMV was first virus to be purified and crystallized by an American microbiologist in 1935, for which Nobel Prize was awarded to him. In 1946, he was option A. W.M. Stanley, option B. Peyton Rose, option C. Sumner, option D. Andrei Lavov. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Pick up the wrong statement. Option A. Some fungi are edible. Option B. The nuclear membrane is present in Monera. Option C. The cell wall is absent in Animalia. Option D. Protists have photosynthetic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Explanation part. A, C, D are correct statements. Kingdom Monera consists of prokaryotic organisms characterized by the absence of nuclear envelope around the nucleus and absence of membrane-bound organelles. So the incorrect statement is B. Okay, next question. Lichens are well-known combination of an alga and a fungus, where the fungus has option A. a saprophytic relationship with the algae, option B. an epiphytic relationship with the algae, option C. a parasitic relationship with the algae, option D. a symbiotic relationship with the algae. Frequently asked question, and the correct answer for this question is D. a symbiotic relationship with algae. Okay, next question. Which of the following statements is correct? Option A. Mycoplasma has no cell wall. B. Mycoplasma is the smallest living organism. C. Mycoplasma cannot survive without oxygen. Option D. Mycoplasma are pathogenic in animals and plants. E. True sexuality is not found in bacteria. F. A sort of sexual reproduction by adopting a primitive DNA transfer from one bacterium to the other occurs. Option A, all of this. Option D, only C. Option C, all except C. Option D, only A, C and F. The correct answer for this question is C, all except C. So that's it for the day, guys. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.